Hello, nice that you have turned on again. I have just finished my work.
Insofern ja die Karosseriearbeiten am Heck.
I have completed the bodywork at the rear, the bumper, hatchback and fenders. We have removed the gutters. Now we go to the front and take care of the headlights. We will convert from standing in lying spotlights. The front cover must be cut off and the bumper fitted to the fender. That's why we take care of this video.
Ich habe von meinem Freund Harry ein Buch bekommen über den
I got a book from my friend Harry about the first split-window Beetle. I take this picture as an aid to convert the fenders to lying headlights. So at the beginning was the plan, but I think it does not look nice. I will change it a bit.
Ob ich das jetzt genauso nachbaue, bin ich am Zweifeln. Ich werde vermutlich ähnlich hier unten diesen Bürzel nach außen noch machen, eventuell, aber vielleicht auch nach innen. Und oben die Haube hier werde ich nicht so extrem hervorheben. Es sieht ja wie aufgesetzt
In this picture the headlight looks like it has been put on it. I will work the headlamp into the fender.
In den alten Kotflügel integrieren, denke ich mal. Oh, glaube ich jedenfalls. Mal gucken.
I both use spotlights on the parts market and have installed H4 German light.
Hier kurz kontrollieren, wie das Lichtbild aussieht, weil wir ja die alte Bilox Streuscheibe vorneweg haben. Das müssen wir vielleicht noch ändern.
Kann ich den hier jetzt einstellen? Zack.
I have the entire H4 headlights built into the old headlights. This is a real Frankie construction. Down here are 7 centimeters until the chrome frame rests against the fender. And up here it's 2 centimeters. 7 fewer 2 are 5 centimeters. The headlights must be further in the top.
5 rein.
I would rather cut out only the lamp pot, and now I work slowly backwards until the right angle of the headlamp is reached.
Schauen. Guckt er natürlich dazu weit. Unten. Damit wir den Lampenrahmen oben einhaken können.
So that we can hook in the top of the lamp, I bent a sheet metal hook and now we weld it. Now we can hook the headlight on top and fix it with a tapping screw first, and later with a thread screw. So that holds. We'll do that now. Make a nice frame. We weld the slots again, then tin on it, and done. No fear. Everything does not come again. It's just that I do not always know exactly how to solve the problem on the first page. But in the second I can show you some little tools that you can build. Unfortunately, I have sealed the entire fender from below with wax before the German main inspection. Düse. And now I have all the wax on my tool. Shit.
So, mal gucken, ob wir gut ausgeschnitten haben.
So, let's see if we could weld.
Drücken wir hier ein bisschen hoch.
That looks good.
Fantastisch. Unten liegt er auch schon sehr gut. Ehrlich. Ja. Übergeschliffen die Schweißnaht.
The weld seam owns over ground briefly. That looks pretty good. We will make the gap with tin a bit more accurate.
Den Verschluss noch fixieren. Den Schließzapfen der Haube werde ich wieder
I will use the cover of the hood again.
Abtrennen.
I just have to disconnect the catch hook because he has no more space here. Maybe I put him on the back or I leave him completely gone. If it put it back, I have to build a way to unlock.
Herstellen, ihn zu entriegeln.
I think we solved the problem differently.
Ein Loch hier oben ist ja noch da.
One hole is still there. I've just closed the other one. But I will ream it up again, tighten the hook and then weld in the screw. Then I will send the heat and the bolt is on the right place. We can then screw the locking pin from the inside to the front lap. That's the plan. Let's see if it works.
Mal gucken, ob das funktioniert. So, nun sitzt er an seiner ursprünglichen Stelle. Den Schließhaken habe ich weggeflext.
Here you can still see the welded bolts. This is still sanded smooth. And now let's see if the flap can also be closed.
Zu ist sie sogar schon.
She's already closed. Let's see if she goes on again. Yes, perfect. This will be discontinued, and then I will tin both surfaces so we can work the gap exactly.
Die beiden Teile. Und dann können wir ein schönes, sauberes Spaltmaß nachher hinschleifen.
Viele fragen sich,
Many
warum
of
kauft
you
der Dussel
are
nicht
wondering
Kotflügel?
why does he not buy finished fenders?
Kosten, ja, ich glaube
Cost
so
around
150 €
€150
Aber
or $180.
das war
But
eine Herausforderung an mich selbst,
everybody can do
ob ich
that.
das kann. Oder
That was a challenge
das
to
ganze Auto
myself,
wird ja letztendlich
whether I
in Handarbeit
can
von mir
or not.
umgebaut,
The whole vehicle
ohne
is being rebuilt without
großartig
buying
fertig
much
gekaufte
parts
Teile zu
from the
verwenden.
shelves.
Bezug
Concerning
bezüglich
body.
Karosserie.
That is
da drin
ultimately
liegt ja
the art
letztendlich die
and
Kunst und die
my
Herz.
plan.